trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, Mr. Buffett, you've lost $10 million today. Do you know what he said? He said, I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold. Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly.
When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who they're long. There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profits strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. You know that only Forex will give you continue getting better. Just don't give up, be in a deal.
Yeah, good afternoon from my end. I just want to quickly show us how I normally use my price zone management uh, to adjust my edge and to grow my equity as fast as possible. This account is from Deriv. I'm trading Crash 900 here. Crash 900 edge in January, and since January I've been managing this situation. Yesterday I saw price around this zone, which is somewhere here, and on this supply zone, which is the pink zone here. So I quickly take opportunity. About 5 days ago I took opportunity by buying down and sell under this supply zone, and now I put my buy stop on top of that zone, because you remember the principle of zone. You cannot buy into supply zone and you cannot sell into demand zone. So um, the price respected what I did, and this is my this one on top here is my buy stop. Okay, so now I realize that market has moved greatly down, and this is on my 4 hours chart. I normally love to use 4 hours most times, because the higher the time frame, the more realistic the decision that will come from it. So the more probability that you are going to get it right. Okay. So now I'm going to close this gap. I want to buy. So I shifted my buy stop now on this demand zone, because now do you see how many pips I've tried to shed away from this market? So now if market decided to to pull back and open my order, buy stop order, I want to take my profit somewhere here, and I'm still going to pending another trade above the supply zone. If you can understand this, you will realize that trading is not as difficult as it is, as they let us know, but you have to be extraordinary patient person. So this is number one opportunity I saw today that I think I need to share with everyone. And let me go to the second opportunity that I need to discuss about today is to go to my Axie account. Also, there's a similar scenario that took place on Axie also. I'm going to launch it now. I'm trying to launch the Axie account. Okay, here is my Axie account, and let me adjust this. And here we are going to I'm going to talk about AUD card. AUD card has been a problematic asset for me since let me look at the time that we have been on trading AUD card. This since April 7, this 0.04 lot size has been hanging in the market. But now, yesterday, I realized the opportunity on that there's a possibility that market will not break the daily. You can see this daily supply zone. So I placed my buy stop on top, despite I know that there's another supply zone here which can stop me, but I I place it here because I must edge my leg properly. But like I see now that market is pulling down, so I want to check my 4 hours, and you can see there's a strong demand zone on 4 hours. Our markets might respect this zone properly. So what I want to do now is I want to take my buy stop on my daily chart and close this position so that I can buy on this demand zone, and I'm going to take my profit somewhere close here, little profit here, and I'm going to put another buy stop on top of this supply zone. So let's go back to H1. Let's see what H1 is saying. And H1, you can see the market is about to be pulling back. So let me use H1 to adjust my trade properly. And from here, if market pull back and it doesn't break this zone, it's going to buy here, and I want to take my profit somewhere below here, because you can see market has been playing in that channel for days. Okay, so I want to take the opportunity. If market pull back and doesn't close, it doesn't break this zone, it's going to pick this buy order, and I'm going to take my profit here, and I'm going to edge on above here also as a buy stop. So this is how I manage my price zone, and this is what we call price zone management. Once you understand this, you are going to be you are going to enjoy trading, because you don't spend your whole day on in front of the screen, and you just come, and when you know what to do at the right time, you just do it. So I think this will help some of us that are struggling to understand what is a price zone. Until we meet on Friday, when we are going to discuss price zone management in detail, I will say bye for now.